Hello. Do you ever find yourself downloading projects from GitHub repos or elsewhere that have documentation in Markdown with commands that you need to copy and paste into your terminal with many a click or keyboard press to drop them in and execute them? Have you ever thought to yourself that you wish there was a simpler way to do this, that involved less effort and less clicks or key presses? Well, now there is. That is the point of this extension here that I have made. Terminal Bridge, or the VS Code Run in Terminal plugin. Available via GitHub and of course the Microsoft Visual Code Marketplace here. This little plugin is designed to make your life easier. As it says here, it is a minimal VS Code extension that surfaces the built-in run selected text in terminal action where you actually need it in the right-click context menu and on a fast key binding. Right-click any selection in the editor and choose Run in Terminal. The item text not only appears then in the terminal, but it also executes as well. And the same can be done by pressing Alt, Shift and Enter, saving you endless hours of pain by repeatedly copying, pasting and executing code in order to install projects on your development environment. Look how easy it is. You simply go to the extensions marketplace in VS Code, find the Terminal Bridge by me, Stephen Phillips, and hit install. Seconds later, you can now enjoy the amazing instant execution of selected text in your terminal. And voila! Impressive, I think you'll agree. And no doubt saving hours of effort and time. Thank you.